Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to use a label making machine to create key tags for your fob keys. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to number one, the label making machine, couple of key tags. So we can now start the video. This is the label making machine on screen. Let us turn it on. And now for today's agenda, we will be making the labels for room 23. If I remove number 2 and add number 3, so number 3, and now we can print number 1, print again. So that itself is number 2. And if you see, we need to pull onto the tape in order to have the perfect size for our key tags. Now, the only thing left to do now is to cut. So we also need scissors for this tutorial. We can now move the label maker to the side as that is done. So we have KH23 twice. We can now cut according to what we require. One cut, another cut. Remove the excess waste we no longer require. So that's 1, 2, 1, and number 2. Remove the key ring from the tag. Once, twice. And now the job is to adjust according to what we will see in the small screen for the tag. And now we can cut and remove any excess paper we no longer require. That's 1. That is number 2. Into the tag. So that's done. We can do the same thing for the second label and tag. Try to get it into the center. Number 2 also done. Insert into the tag. Give it a firm push. Number 1, number 2 are done. The only thing left now to do is to bring the key fobs that we have and add them to the tags. Number 1, number 2, done. And so in this tutorial, the idea was to use a label maker to create some labels for tags for key fobs. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.